Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Samaya. I recently started a campaign of young girls in the tech industry because the number of girls in the tech industry is actually the reason why some not really haven't gotten the information yet. So the main brain behind it is to these young girls will actually share their stories to inspire other girls who probably want to start their journey into tech. So, the first person we should be featuring is Abiola Farounbi. She's a front-end developer who is currently studying at the University of Lagos. You can also stalk her up on her Twitter and Instagram. And the first question I asked her was how she got into tech.
Guys, my name is Abiola Farounbi. I'm a front-end developer. Well, how I got into tech was through a bootcamp I joined after secondary school. It was a very innovative and enlightening bootcamp. They introduced us to the beginning of programming and technology itself, and through that I got started. And what inspired me about technology was the fact that a lot of amazing things can be built with technology. Like when I started researching about it, I saw a lot of things like we do with technology, and this got me inspired and motivated to start. Well, one of the challenges I faced when I started into technology was the unavailability of a laptop. I didn't have a laptop to start up with my programming, so I had to use pen and paper for a while. Then someone was able to assist me to get one. Then also the learning process was kind of hard learning on my own, so I had to seek for mentorship and guidance, and it got easier with time. Then also as time goes on, I intend to go further, not just into web alone, other aspects of technology, and be able to build more solutions to solve problems out there. So one of the advice I have to newbies out there is to join a tech community. Tech communities are very helpful and they give assistance and support in very useful ways There are also workshops they organize in tech communities that are very enlightening to us as developers. And also, as you go further in your learning, try as much as possible build projects, build stuff that you can see your work, you can see the works that you do. Thanks guys for watching.
If you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.